how to use Phantom Wallet to buy crypto. So the first step is to install the Phantom Wallet Chrome extension. Now, if you want to learn how you can do that step by step, you can check out my other tutorial about this, or you can simply go to Phantom Wallet official website and click on download for Chrome. The setup is pretty easy. So after you install the Chrome extension, you're gonna find it here where are the extensions of your browser, and simply click on it. And if you want to buy cryptos, you can simply click on buy, and as you can see these cryptos, you can simply select them and then simply enter how much you want to buy, then click on next and choose any of these payment methods. Now if you want to buy meme coins, you're gonna have to simply click on this swap button and then simply click on select the coin, and then you can simply search for any meme coins. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.